How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program step by step and earn high commissions. Simply put, make money. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Alternatively, you can go to your web browser and search for Amazon affiliate program. Once you search for this, you can go to Amazon.com Associate Central. This is the one where we want to go, and it will take you right here. Here you can see Amazon's Associates. This is known as Amazon's affiliate marketing program. In this marketing program, there are 3 steps to it. The first step is signing up. Join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers. So you need to sign up. Then we have to recommend sharing millions of products with your audience. Now this is where you find the product, and this is the marketplace. And you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So our first step is signing up. You can scroll down on this website, and here you will find sign up, and it will take you right here. Now you need to give Amazon 4 types of information here. You can see we have account information, website and mobile app list, profile, and start using Associate Central. The first step is account information. This is where you will enter your personal information such as your name, address, and phone number. For privacy reasons, I had to click on Next for this step, but this is just your personal information, and you will fill it in, your name, address, phone number. Make sure it's the right information because you will need to verify it later. Once the account information is done, you can see at the bottom, we get this next option once we're done. So click on Next, and it will take you to website and mobile app list. Here, we need to add our website, and this is where we can add our mobile app. Because we're going to work with the Amazon Associate, we will be working as an affiliate, and we can also add our products here. So we need to add a website. I'm going to quickly add the website here. Click on Add, and it will be added. We can add more than one website here or more than one app. Once you have entered your website or your app, click on Next. Now you can see we have this option. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directly primarily to children? It's not. So we're going to click on No here. Click on Confirm. And then we have our third step. What is your preferred associate store ID? This is where you will add your ID, whatever name you want to go for. We can go with any name, and it will show us if it's available. Tell us about the content you create. This is where you will need to add information about your websites, your mobile apps, or your Alexa skills. Who is it for, and what kind of products do you intend to promote with this affiliate program? Here, I'm going to simply fill it in. You will enter the information here. Now we can scroll down to which of the following best describes you. So I'm going to go with blog here, but you can go with comparison shopping, intern coupons, searches, and more. How did you hear about us? This one is easy. We can select any of the options here. I'm just going to go with online search, and then we need to do the CAPTCHA here, which is very simple. You enter the words and click on I agree and click on Finish. And there you go, we have our own associate ID created. It's very easy. Now I have my ID, we can now enter payment and tax information, or we can do this later. It will take me to my affiliate program, and it will take me to Associate Center. This is our Amazon Associates, and you can see this is how we create an account. Now we have our own account, You can see we have our home here. We have product linking where I can find the mobile pull covers and native spanners, promotions, Idea Hub, Amazon promo codes, creator rewards. We can go to tools here. We have link checker and one link reports help. This is now my own dashboard, and here I'll be able to see my earnings. So we earn with our Amazon affiliate program, and we can earn up to 10% with our products. These products are selling fast. Now we can actually go to the products here and check out the other products and check out their trending products on Amazon affiliates. Here we have our Amazon, and you can see these are the different products that are selling fast on Amazon. I can actually promote any of these products and simply make my commission. At the top, you can see I'm also getting my Amazon Associates, and here I can see I can create different links. I can create product links and more. When it comes to the product links, you can go to product linking here, click on product links, and it allows you to create product links. You can also check out the other product links that you want to promote using Amazon Associates. It's really easy, and creating an account is really easy. It gives you your unique ID, and that ID is the one that you use. Here, I can now create a product link, select a product line. So I'm going to choose any of the products from here. For instance, I have automotive here, then we're going to go for the, let's say, wheels and tires here. Name your link. This is where I can actually get the link for the product from here. And then I can add it, and then we can get the preview. We have a link to search results and linked to any page. When it comes to reports, you will be getting your earning report here. With each earning, you can actually make up to thousands of dollars with Amazon Associates. There are a lot of successful people making a lot of money with Amazon Associates. Now you know how to get started. So here we have our simple commission summary. We have our other rewards and everything. What you need to do on Amazon Associates is that you need to add your tax information and your payment information as well. You can do this very easily by going to your account here at the top, and you can add your payment methods. This is how you can sign up, and you can create your Amazon affiliate ID, and you will be able to start earning. When it comes to tools, we also have Link Checker, Product Advertising API, OneLink, and more. In promotion, we have Amazon Bounty Program, Amazon promo codes, creator rewards, and more. If you want to go for the creative rewards, this is where you will find it within your promotions here. Now we can go back to our home of Amazon Associates or affiliate program, Amazon.com. So here you can see again, we're getting the summary, and you can check out the products from here. Even with each product, you'll be able to see the ordered items, the conversion, and then you'll be able to actually do high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing means any affiliate marketing with a lot of commission, a commission of 70% or more. With Amazon Affiliate, go ahead and create an account and get started with your own program. And you'll be able to promote your products and make money. Before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips to boost your success with the Amazon Affiliate program. First, focus on promoting products relevant to your audience and niche to enhance engagement. Leverage the various tools provided by Amazon Associates, such as Link Checker and OneLink, to optimize your promotional strategies. Additionally, create compelling and authentic content that genuinely highlights the benefits of the products you're promoting. Stay updated on trending products and keep an eye on Amazon's promotions for opportunities to maximize your earnings. Consistency is key, so regularly monitor your performance metrics and adjust your approach accordingly. Don't forget to leverage social media platforms to expand your reach and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Lastly, build trust with your audience by maintaining transparency about your affiliate partnerships. Now armed with these tips, you're well equipped to embark on your Amazon affiliate journey. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. Also, leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part? What did you learn from this video? Or if you have any questions, I'll see you in the next one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.